South Korea is a country in East Asia, constituting the southern part of Korean peninsula and sharing a land border with North Korea. South Korea has a humid continental climate and a humid subtropical climate with four distinct seasons. South Korea is a crowded country with 1,294 citizens for every square mile of land, so there is a huge demand for space. As a result, many of the country's nature habitats have been squeezed into smaller areas. The official name of South Korea is the Republic of Korea, which is ROK. The ROK government is headed by a president who is elected to a 5-year term. South Korea has one of the strongest economies in Eastern Asia. Most of its wealth comes from manufacturing and service industries such as banking. It exports ships, cars, computers, and other electronic items.
Evidence of climate change in South Korea. From 1996 to 2006, concentration of carbon dioxide increased at a rate of 2.6 parts per million. However, the concentration of methane and nitrous oxide did not show significant change. The average temperature increasing from 1911 to 1970 changed from 1.2 Celsius per 100 years to 2.8 Celsius per 100 years. Before warming, rainfalls lasted from late June to late July, and 4 seasons were distinctive. After 1970s, rainfalls lasted from late June through August, and South Korea has shorter winters and longer summers nowadays.
South Korea has finalized its 2030 target of reducing greenhouse gas emissions by 37% from business as usual levels, higher than its earlier plan for a 15 to 30% cut. South Korea in January started the world's second biggest carbon emissions market and imposes caps on emissions from 525 of the country's biggest companies. The Third Energy Master Plan up to 2040, adopted in June 2019, together with 2017 Power Sector Plan up for the period up to 2030, aims to increase the renewable electricity share to 20% by 2030 and 30 to 35% by 2040, up from 3% in 2017.